Hello, welcome to Inclusive Mentoring Academy. Well, I met my deaf friend last week. He is working for a private company. His work involves emailing customers, managers every day. He told me that many of his office employees use idioms and phrases, and he doesn't understand. Every time he has to check in internet and then he has to reply. It takes a lot of time to understand these phrases. Okay, so hope you have guessed today's topic. Yes, we are going to discuss idioms and phrases used at workplaces. Back to drawing board. A piece of cake. How does that sound? Get the ball rolling. Be on the same page. These are called idioms and phrases. Idioms are words or phrases that aren't meant to be taken literally. A phrase is a group of words that work together to make a meaning. It's not a full sentence. Don't worry, let's discuss few phrases in this video. Back to drawing board. This means to start again. Have you ever seen your manager using this phrase in any of the meeting? This does not mean going to some board and drawing. This means starting again because it's not working. It's back to the beginning. Return to the starting point. Start all over again. Hope you got it. Now let's see an example. After the failure of the software application, the company went back to drawing board. This means earlier the company had launched some application but it didn't work and it failed. Now they are working on it again to make it a better product. Hope you understood now. Let's discuss one more phrase. How does that sound? Does it mean you have to listen to something? No, not at all. This means, what do you think of that? What do you say? Asking your opinion on something. Let's see an example. Can we meet for a coffee? How does it sound? Yes, sounds good. This means, yes, you are interested to meet for coffee. Hope you're getting it now. Be on the same page. What does it mean? Do you know the meaning of this? This means to understand and agree. Now let's see an example. I think we all are on the same page. This means everyone understood what was explained. No one has any doubts or questions. Remember, if someone asked in a meeting, "Are you all on the same page?" you know what to answer. A piece of cake. This means easy task, something that is easy to do. Let's see an example. For Ramesh, sending daily report is a piece of cake. This means Ramesh can easily send reports daily without any difficulties. Get the ball rolling. This means to start the work, to start doing something. Let's see an example. Manager asked the team, who wants to get the ball rolling on this project? This means manager is asking who wants to start the project. Cool. Let's see what are the advantages of using these phrases at workplace? Your communication gets improved. By using these phrases continuously, your professional and business communication gets improved. Your professional respect goes up. Your colleagues, customers, and managers would have high respect towards you. It shows your leadership skills. Also, you will be considered a leader compared to your juniors if you start using these idioms and phrases regularly. So I hope you will start using these phrases in your chats and email communications from next time. Do let us know how your team or manager reacts after seeing you use idioms and phrases. Our other friends would be happy to know about it. Feel free to suggest me more idioms and phrases we shall discuss in the next video. Also, our courses are available in Android. Please check the link in the description to access the course. If you like the video, please like and subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.